How do you get your prospect to know that you get them and that you understand what they're going through and that you can help them? I'm Billy Broas, the creator of the Five Lightbulbs and faculty member at Digital Marketer. And in this video series, we're gonna go through the 5 lightbulbs, starting with lightbulb 1. So lightbulb 1 represents your customer's status quo, or what I sometimes call the unacceptable status quo. And it should be unacceptable because they want a change. You should be targeting someone who has demand and they want something different. And that's where lightbulb 1 comes in. Lightbulb 1 is the language of empathy. It shows the person, the prospect, the person reading your sales copy, hey, I get you, I understand you. There's a great saying from copywriting that if you can describe the problem even better than the customer can, they will naturally assume that you have the solution. So lightbulb 1 is that box that you want to check to show the person that you understand them. You know, you go to so many websites and you see the same thing. We, I, me. We've been in business for 30 years. We won these awards. But what's the word that you're not seeing? It's the word you. And that's what your marketing should communicate. It should communicate that I understand you, reader. And so if you do that, you will be giving voice to lightbulb 1, and you won't quite be there yet. We got 4 other lightbulbs, but you will be on your way to giving your customer that lightbulb moment where they say, I should buy from you. Next up is lightbulb 2. So your customer is in this bad place, a place they don't want to be anymore, but are you the only game in town? No. And that's what lightbulb 2 represents. So let's get into that one in the next video in this series.